Hey, Leroy here. I'm a delivery artisan with Cutting Edge Firewood. Today I'm going to show you how to start your firewood with our luxury starter products. First, you're going to want your Cutting Edge Firewood cigar matches. Second, you're going to want a Excelsior fire starter. It starts extremely easily. You're going to want one piece of our heart pine. It smells amazing. And you're going to want our kiln dried kindling that starts very easily. We can start your first fire for you, or you can order our starter products and do it easily with one match. Once the Excelsior fire starter has ignited, gently place the heart pine on top. Once the heart pine has started, place the two smallest pieces of kindling in an X shape on top, and then place the two largest pieces of kindling above. Once your fire is going well, you'll want to grab a larger log and put it in the front of your fireplace, and put a smaller log in the back. For safety reasons, this makes it so if the logs fall, they fall back into the fire. And then on top of that, you're going to want to build a log cabin. And you can build it up as high as you'd like. And from there, all you have to do is just make sure the fire doesn't go out.